Do you ever feel like your team is drowning in the day-to-day because of operational work? Assigning accounts, chasing follow-ups, or updating systems. It never stops. Planhat's custom automations can take care of all of that for you. With this simple no-code editor, you can create automations in minutes that will save you and your teams hours every week. Let me show you how they work. The custom automations give you full control to design workflow to match your exact needs. Using the Canvas-style builder, you can visually map out entire processes from start to finish. Every automation starts with a trigger. This can be a manual trigger on a selected object, or it can be automatically whenever an object is updated, created, or even added to a filter. Once the trigger is set up, you have a range of actions to pick from. You can create or update records in Planhat, notify users, or even add an AI step to enrich your automations, just to mention a few. You can learn more about the AI step in our AI step in automations course in the dojo and in the help center. Wait steps lets you control the timing of actions, which is great if you want to add a human in the loop element before the next action. You can delay the next steps by minutes, hours, or days, or you can set it to run on a specific future date. Branching takes a single trigger, like a new opportunity or updated company record, and splits it into different paths based on conditions. Each branch can check for specific criteria, so instead of managing several different automations for similar actions, you can handle them all in one flow. The use cases for custom automations are endless, but a few examples are creating next steps after a cold call, send reminders ahead of a key date like a project due date, or create a new deal ahead of a renewal. Let's build out the first examples of steps after a cold call. First, create a new automation and give it a clear name. Then, set the trigger to end user updated when the column call results is populated. Now create 3 branches, one for no answer, one for no interest, and one for meeting booked. And finally, under each branch, you can add actions such as create tasks, log call outcome, and update fields. So let's say the outcome is that a meeting is booked. The automation will then schedule a task for the AE so that the person is aware that they need to book in a demo. A conversation will be created with call notes and involved contacts. And finally, it will reset the call results field so that it can be used again for the future. Let's have a look at how this works. So as a BDR, you log the call result. And in this case, it's a meeting booked. This then triggers the automation to kick off. And if you go to the company profile, you will see that a task for the AE has been created and a conversation has been created with all the conversation notes from the BDR, ready for the AE to use. With these custom automations, you're saving time by building smarter processes that can scale with your business. For more information on how to build out custom automations, including the different actions and dynamic field values, check out our help center.